Hey guys, welcome back to Creative World of Naisha. What's the date? Oh my god, 5 months have passed? Okay, so it's June already. So, journaling June. New month, new hobby. So, welcome to my journal. So, now I've started this journal and I'll show you all the spreads I've done. I've only done few to get some hands on. I've just get started and trying what to do and how figuring out that what looks best. So I'll just show you around and tell you what's all in my journal. So this is a normal journal sketchbook and it's 130 GSM paper, so that it doesn't watercolor doesn't leak much. So I'll just show you my some spreads. I've left some pages as you can see because I want to gain more experience and do the cover and first pages first. Now this is the first spread I've done in this journal and it says art is life. Earth without art is eh. So as you can see, I've done a little bit of sketch lightly. I was just swatching out and trying what is there and how is there. I was just seeing, like you can see a little bit of patches are there. So I just wanted to see that, and I wanted to see how different mediums work on it. So I've used many different mediums here, as you can see, and I've also pasted a little bit of craft paper and this foil paper which is available at home. So it's actually a very nice hobby in lockdown. So as you can see, it's really rough. It's not that detailed or but it was just for a sketch, that's why. So this one I've made it from newspaper. As you can see, the newspaper effect is there, and this shining, yes, shining foil paper I've written power of silence. I've cut it out from a brunch magazine, and the rest is newspaper and craft paper. And I've written sometimes silence speaks for itself on a different page. So I've just given it a little bit of vintage yet modern look, and it's all pinkish and purple themed together. So as you can see, I've done here, and I've pasted foil paper to just match it a little bit up because everything was so pale and vintage and it's glowing so brightly. So next spread, and it's here. Now this is my favorite one, like a heart from my side. I love it. Just because, if you see, I've written "Let Your Dreams Bloom" here, and this I love this effect of this craft paper. The text I've written, it really pops up, and then with this pastel flower I've written "Blossom," and then "Bloom with Joy." Like, it's very nice. I like that effect basically. And the next one is this. Yes, this is also my favorite, unicorns. So I've done simple calligraphy here, and I've done a little bit of border, as you can see. And if I'll just move, you can see the sparkle also. It's metallic. I've used metallic colors here. So I've done. I'll just show you. You can see, yeah, it's glowing, yeah, the sparkle. And made some borders also. I written magic is real, everything real today was once imagined. So I took some foil paper for this one. I just wanted to get it together with the unicorn, because if I put brown paper it wouldn't go together. That's why I put, as you can see, the next is blank, as this was the recent one which I made today for this journal June. So new content will be coming related to journal. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram on @creative world of Naisha. Link in description for more posts and journaling. If you are a journal fellow, do comment and tell what do you want to see. Bye.